Hi viewers, welcome to a quick hands-on look at the brand new Galaxy S26 Ultra and S26 Plus that are showcased at Sharaf DG. In this video you will see both models side by side, highlighting their sleek design, stunning display and premium feel. The Ultra brings powerhouse performance and advanced camera features while the Plus balances style and practicality. Both, uh, both of the models are amazing. Now you have to decide which you like, Plus or Ultra. So guys, stay tuned, watch closely and let me know in the comment section which Galaxy S26 wins your heart. And also let me know if you are Samsung lover or Apple lover. I personally love Samsung phones. So stay tuned and let me know. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video.